Hostinger Black Friday sale is now officially live. In this video, I'm going to be providing you with Hostinger Black Friday deals that will get you a Hostinger Black Friday discount, saving you money on your Hostinger hosting purchase, plus get you a free domain name on select annual plans, plus 2 months free on select plans with a 48-month term. You'll even save more than what you see being listed here on the Hostinger plans page, so be sure to watch till the end of the video so you can save the most money on your Hostinger hosting purchase this Black Friday and Cyber Monday season. You'll save money no matter what Hostinger hosting service you choose, like shared hosting, WordPress hosting, cloud hosting, VPS hosting, and more. You want to start by clicking the link in the description below to get your Hostinger discount. I've included the Hostinger coupon code next to the link in the description that we'll be using later in the video. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Hostinger discount. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be on the Hostinger web hosting plans page. Click the claim deal button. You'll now be taken down to the Hostinger hosting plans. I'm going to show you how to get a greater discount than you see being listed here by using the Hostinger coupon code a little later in the video, so stay tuned. The single plan comes with one website, 50 gigabytes of SSD storage, standard performance, and one email account. This plan doesn't include a free domain name. The premium plan comes with 100 websites, 100 gigabytes of SSD storage, standard performance, 100 email accounts. This plan includes a free domain name with annual terms and free domain WHOIS privacy protection. The business plan comes with 100 websites, increased performance by up to 5 times, 200 gigabytes of NVMe storage, a bunch of managed WordPress extras, extras with the Hostinger website builder, and extras with security. You'll also receive 100 email accounts, a free domain name, and free domain WHOIS privacy protection. Choose a plan you'd like. Now let's save even more than what we see being listed here. Scroll down to the total section, click have a coupon code, enter the Hostinger coupon code I've included with the link in the description. I'll click apply. I'll scroll up to the top and you'll now see the new Hostinger discount amount showing for all the terms. For the single plan, you'll get web hosting for as low as $185 a month, saving up to 81% off. A free domain name isn't included with this plan. The premium plan, you'll get for as low as $232 a month, saving up to 82% off. This plan comes with a free domain name on any of the annual plans and 2 months free with the 48-month term. The business plan, you'll get hosting for as low as $325 a month, saving up to 77% off. This plan comes with a free domain name with any of the annual plans and 2 months free with the 48-month term. The free domain name or any domain name purchases are done after payment in the Hostinger panel. Enjoy your Hostinger Black Friday coupon code discount so you can save money on your Hostinger hosting purchase this Black Friday and Cyber Monday season. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Hostinger hosting tutorial videos.